times in his rhymes, cause his memories. We running through New York, so you never leave. Strap my lungs, then we puffin' through with that right. But giving them some stories, they come back like manic this, manic that, why you crawling to me? The hell we gonna...
Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I want to show you how you can make your power windows last forever without having to have them break, or without them sticking, or without them squeaking. There's one trick that I've always used on the windows to stop the squeaking on the windows. Now, this is a product you guys already probably know, I highly trust and highly believe in. So I'm gonna go outside and I'm gonna show you how to replenish your window rubbers and the seals, and how to make the windows glide up and down with ease without little to no effort, with just doing this simple free 2-minute trick that you guys know. The product I'm about to use, I do love this stuff, and it's something I highly recommend. It's something I use a lot on BMs, and it's something that's always got me through every day. When we was in garages, we used to use this product. So I'm gonna go outside and I'm gonna show you what to do with your windows and how to make them last forever. And if they're sticking, squealing, or making any noises, this product will help you repair that. Okay guys, if you see here, we're now at the E46 and I've got all the windows wind down. So what you're going to do is, what a lot of people ain't aware of, is you sometimes can get squealing in the windows here and everywhere else. Now when you get squealing in the rubbers, a lot of you know it squeaks when this is coming down, when the window starts to dry out a lot of the time, and it will squeak all going around all here. When the window's coming down, it squeaks, and it's quite annoying. Everyone knows that and everyone wants it gone. So I'm going to show you a way of how you can make that go without the need of having to change your window regulator or change your window, or keep getting quite angry with it, because like a lot of people do with squeaking, is quite embarrassing, especially on a car, you know, like this, to have the windows squealing as you're driving down the road or when you're outside your house. And this one does do it a lot, this E46. It does it a lot when it's really hot, and I think it's because the rubbers get, you know, very hot and the windows stick. So we're going to show you how to do that, and you're going to see how much easier they glide up and down once we've done this trick. Okay guys, as you'll see here, we're now at the windows, and what we're going to be using today is we're going to be using a product which is the WD-40 high performance silicone for your windows switches, to repair all your windows if they're squeaking or not closing properly. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go in the edges right here, and then you're just going to want to spray it down, as you see there, and it will run, don't worry about it, it will run down, it dries straight away. It's high performance silicone. You just want to spray it all in around the edges here and here, and as you see there, that's done. Now what you're going to do is go to the driver's side, and you're going to do the same here. Now I used to get this a lot on my E53s, where the windows would squeak while going down, and I used to use this trick a lot. This is something, when you take it to a garage, even here in the UK, they will use this before replacing all your window, as it's much cheaper and convenient. So as you see there, them two are done. We're just going to leave them to dry. So let's go round to the other side, and I'm going to show you to do the other side. Okay, so now we're at the other side, and what you got probably don't know is this side is actually worse than the driver's side. So we're just going to go here and spray it in here. As you see, just going to follow it all along the sill, as you see, and if it comes out, just and keep spraying it. And then what you're going to want to do is go down here. Don't worry too much about it, it will dry. I know a lot of people will be worried that it's getting everywhere, but it's only silicone. It's not going to do nothing, but it will help seal your windows completely shut and go up and down properly. Now bear in mind, your windows will be probably wet after, so just don't worry too much about it. So now that's done, what we're going to do is go inside the car and open and close the windows here and here. And now let's go inside and shut. Okay guys, so we're just going to shut it, and as you'll see, I can hear it already. These windows are shutting a lot better than what they did. You want to shut them up so they glide up properly, as you'll see. Then we're going to put them down. Much better. They're going up and down a lot better than what they did. No squeaking, no nothing. And that's the job done. So as you've seen there guys, I've just shown you now how to release sticking or squeaking windows, and how to actually free them up, and what product to use to actually do that. Now there is a lot of silicone products that you can use, even water-based ones, and I would recommend to use them around the window sills. When they are squeaking, you do not have to replace your rubber, just use the silicone, re-silicone them, and they'll be fine. They'll go up and down very nicely without issue. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. It's BMW Dr. Dean here, and goodbye.